Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to another video series on UiPath Storage Buckets. I will show you how to delete files from UiPath Storage Buckets. We'll be using delete storage file activity to remove unwanted files from a bucket. So let's get started. To perform this activity, we are going to use delete storage file activity. And to perform this one, we have to first use list storage files so that we'll be getting the path, the file path which we want to delete. So real life use case will be, let's say you have one automation where both daily basis download the reports and store or upload in a storage bucket. Now other automation, it downloads the reports, like list out the reports and then download few specific reports that it has to automate, that it has to process, and then after processing that one by one it deletes that file from a storage. So every day it processes that and delete the files from storage bucket. Now we'll be performing here, so for that we have to get the list of documents from storage buckets and then we will perform delete operation here. We will take this list user files. I will mark it as a recursive false. So it will give us only the files which is present in the root directory, not in the subdirectory. So this way we will store in a variable called list storage files. Here we have for each activity. Now I'll move that inside the for each. Let me take this here. Let me drag and drop this activity here. Now this file will be deleted. So let's take this path, the file full path. We will pass here current storage file info dot file full path. And then we need to pass orchestrator folder path. So I want to delete the files from the storage buckets which available in orchestrator folder path HR. And then storage bucket name is HR documents. This one. We'll copy this and paste here. So we need to pass the path. It takes string. So either you can take the complete path for which you want to delete that file, or you can take it from this by using list storage file activity and then get that file path and pass here and then delete that. Now let's run that. Okay, let's open this HR documents bucket and you can see here the file name that is deleted, that is payslip.pdf, because we have just taken the files from a root folder where recursive is false, so it will not take the files from subfolders. So you can see here that file has been deleted now. So deleting the files, unwanted files from storage buckets is so simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UiPath videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.